In this video, we're going to see how we can add different classes to our text directly from the experience editor. So, for example, I have here, hello, this is an action button. Maybe this action button is a link, it's a hyperlink that I want to make look like a button rather than look like a normal action. So I'll just insert a redirection to that, and then I'll click here and say action button. Now, action button is not there by default, but if you look at the HTML, what I've done here is I've added a class directly here on this action button so that it can have a specific look and feel. This is very easy for experience editors or content editors to be able to edit without having to go into the actual HTML to change the classes. Now, let's see how this is done. The first thing I need to do is actually go to the core database. So I'll open up the core database, and then I go to Settings, HTML Editor Profiles, Rich Text XA. I can, of course, clone it and use the other one, or this is the Sitecore SXA Experience Editor Profile or Rich Text Editor Profile. So I'll just add within the paragraphs a new type called Action Button. What the action button will do, it's header is action button, and the class value is tam button black border button. So as you can see, what I've actually done here is I've set out, or I've defined that the action button should have this value. The other thing I can do is I can actually go to my CSS, so I'll show you as well here. So within the rich text editor file, tools file, so again, I go to my initpub, www, my site name, then Sitecore, shell, controls, rich text editor, tools file. And what I've done here is I've actually added my new tools or my custom tools. So let me just show you here. So I've added two different class names here, list items and bold text. Where this will show is actually within the other apply class dropdown. So let's go back here, and within the apply class you'll find list item and bold text. So here I've defined the list item and bold text that I want to show. I just need to add also in the default.css the definition for them. So as you can see, I've added here p bold text. So I'll just select that and go to default and search for it. So it's 128 bold. So these are two different ways to utilize and extend the rich text editor, either by applying a complete HTML tag or by applying a CSS class directly to an item. Thank you for watching.